Hello YouTubers, this is the Craftsman 33 gallon air compressor I'm going to be doing a review on. It's got a 1.6 horsepower. I got it at Sears for, I think it was under $400. I bought it under Black Friday. And I got free impact sockets. I haven't used them yet, but brand new. So let's fire this baby up. It's extremely loud. It's echoing in my shop. It builds up the air pressure pretty quick. Probably about 5-10 minutes. At max is 150. It builds up pretty quick. It's wicked loud. It's got a circuit breaker right here. You flip the circuit. It's got two couplers. Probably two more. I don't know about running both at the same time, but whatever. It's got the pressure regulator here. It's got a peacock on the bottom, so you can empty the air rather quickly, and also it's got a relief valve right there. It is loud, but it doesn't take up that much space. It's got shitty tires on it. I might put air tires on there. Builds up a lot more air than my Campbell Hustle 20 gallon. That one takes about 15 to 20 minutes. That was brand new 2 years ago. It's got a air filter right here. Replace it or clean it if it's got a. I've never taken it off. It's got a paper filter. You have to replace it. If it doesn't, you just clean it. Plugs into a standard household outlet.